67. Today we're reviewing the Spear and Jackson Predator. This is a fast cutting ideal for timber, hardwood, cardboard and MDF chipboard. Got the 8 PPI there, unique Predator technology. Alright, so it's been used a few times, but still not bad so. It's kind of like, I would compare this to say Flight Play or something like that. See, I've only used it a few times, it's going dull already. That's it to it. Same with that. So already the blade's only been used for about a week now and it's going down, so we're going to try it on something else now. Let's have a look at this one then. This is a big chunk of wood, take a tiny bit off the top, like that. It's not even having it. I mean, that's really crap. I mean, the saw itself is the handle's not very good. It's virtually blunt now. Hasn't been used that much. I can't recommend this at all. I've had a few saws and they're just the same. Spear and Jackson, Berco ones, Irwin. The best one I have, I think, long lasting, best handle grip as well, is Stanley. But watch, look at my video on that one. But yeah, no, definitely no good crap saw. So see you later. Catch you later, guys. See you again.